Lalabag po lamang natin sa para padainin ng Davao. Mangyari po lamang na manatili na kaupo, huwag mo lamang tumayo para maging nagkagapitan o pumunta sa mga palikuran hanggang ang babalang sitrong kaligtasan ay tinanggal na. Muli panatilihin lamang po nakasanangin yung mga cellular phones hanggang kayo napunta ng terminal mode. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Davao International Airport, Cebu Pacific, and welcome to Davao. Your safety is of primary importance to us, so please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Do not stand up to get your bags or go to the lavatories until you are advised that it is safe to do so. And once again, in accordance with civil aviation regulations, cellular phones must not be switched on until you are outside the aircraft and have reached the terminal building. And before deplaning, please check your surroundings, including your seat pockets, to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Thank you and have a great day. Time check for your convenience is now 25 minutes past the hour of 9 in the morning. And we are pleased to announce that we have just landed 15 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. On behalf of your flight deck crew, headed by Captain Bagapuran, First Officer Santos, with your in-flight cabin crew, we have Maki, Jelay, and Dayan. This is I, thanking you for making Cebu Pacific your airline of choice. May you enjoy your stay in Davao or wherever onward destinations may be, and we hope to see you on one of your future flights. Muli salamat sa pagpili at pagsakay sa Cebu Pacific Air. Magandang umaga. Ladies and gentlemen, please be advised that Davao City is implementing a comprehensive anti-smoking ordinance. It is unlawful for any person to smoke or to allow smoking in public utility vehicles, accommodation establishments, public buildings, enclosed public places, or in any enclosed area outside of one's private residence. This will keep Davao City a smoke-free zone. It is now safe for you to stand and get your bags from the bins. Maaari na kayo tumayo para po rin kagamitan. Coming to disarm doors for a last caution.
Everything with those may be open on 90 passengers. Welcome to the good morning.